we created an ordering portal that allows you to add your supplier rep's name and phone number to the system, and then place an order with them out of your APL. So check this out. If I got a guy I work with from whatever company, I'm not going to name a particular company, but let's say it's XYZ Supply, if I could spell, and the guy's name is Joe Schmo, and I'm going to put the support email address here with my phone number. So I created the supplier rep. If I wanted to create an order, I could hit place order. This is going to pull up my APL. It looks a lot like the calculator form. And it also loads the tint line from your configured paint manufacturer, because those are explicitly omitted. We don't need them for billing because we capture the base coat price category, but we reintroduce it for ordering because by all means you might be low on a tint, right? You want to order the individual tint. So let's say here I need some panel bond and you know, a couple of tints or whatever have you. All my different makes. Let's say I don't need any of this other stuff, whatever, a couple clips. When I hit, I'm going to send myself a little love note. When I hit create order, all the data for my order request is going to be submitted to that, basically to that jobber. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm going to have to turn off the screen share for a moment. There we go. There's my order. And now as a jobber, I can hit the link. It's a unique link. It's not out on Google or something. It's private only. And I can now see the contents of that order.